What is a nut-free macaron? And how do you make it? Usually, you make macaron that does not contain nuts with pumpkin seeds. In that regard, nut-free macarons have a smooth, shiny dome, lacy feet, eggshell crust, crisp, chewy interior, and delicious filling. Can you still have that same melt-in-your-mouth experience when you bite into that delicious goodness if you make nut-free macarons? Well, you sure can, since you are free to use these two almond and almond flour substitutes. Sunflower seeds. To make macarons, put the sunflower seeds into a food processor with the powdered sugar. Make sure to process it for about a minute until well combined. Next, sift your sunflower seed and sugar powder using a sieve. Pumpkin seeds. Firstly, toast the pumpkin seeds. Then, place them inside a food processor. Ensure to grind them with powdered sugar, malt powder, and cocoa for about a minute. Next, sift the powdered mixture and be sure to sift a couple of times until all mixes pass through the sieve. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients: 2/3 cups of raw sunflower seeds, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 pieces of large egg whites, room tempered, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, jam or filling of choice. Step by step. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, place sunflower seeds in the food processor with powdered sugar and process for about a minute until well combined. Afterward, sift the mixture through a sieve and process the bits that failed to pass through the sieve. Ensure to repeat the process until there are only a few bits left. Step 2. Whisk your egg whites and granulated sugar by hand. Then, whip on medium speed using an electric mixer. Afterward, increase the speed of the mixer every 3 minutes until stiff peaks form. Also, to tint your macarons, add your coloring, and make sure to whip on high for about 30 seconds. Step 3. Add the dry ingredients and fold them using a spatula. Then, pipe tiny circles onto your parchment paper. Next, tap the sheets against your counter firmly about 2 to 3 times to pop air bubbles. Step 4. Bake the macarons for about 10 to 12 minutes. Likewise, you can do so until it has risen and set. Then, allow them to cool completely. Ensure to put filling on one half of the macaron cookies and attach the other half. Finally, wrap your macarons in plastic and refrigerate them overnight. Tips and tricks. To make homemade pumpkin seed flour, process the seeds inside a food processor until it becomes exceedingly fine. Remember, when used as a replacement in the macaron recipe, use a 1-to-1 ratio. Ground almonds are the best substitute for almond flour, but you can skip this one if you are allergic to nuts. The following replacement is sunflower seeds. It has a nutty but mild flavor. The key to using sunflower seeds is to use raw sunflower seeds, as they contain total fat and moisture that match the almond meal's texture. Another replacement for almond flour in macarons is white chocolate. For the most part, it can give you mild and milky flavored macarons. But the reduced sugar variety of white chocolate can be hard to find. That is why looking for almond flour substitutes is not as easy as it seems. Nonetheless, there are plenty of choices out there that you can choose. In that regard, working with what you have and the courage to explore will give you the best macarons without almonds. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.